60th birthday, ma. Enjoy your day. Thank you ti amin nga suporta kanyami kan anos mo, kanyami nga anak mo, kan lalo dagiti apo. Oray no adayo ka kanyami, madina kami nga baybayan, nadakalat ta dita. No kailangan da ka, nadakalat ta dita. Enjoy your day and we love you so much. We miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
Getting on a team and potentially playing something. That's having Vegas definitely would have been legal.
Birthday, Mama. Enjoy your day. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Oh.
Hi, Mama. Happy 60th birthday, Mama. We love you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for the hardships and sacrifices for us.
And thank you for the Hot Wheels.
Thank you,
You-
Mama.
You and Daddy may not here to celebrate with us, but we know someday it will be happen.
Yes, in God's time.
Yes.
We love you, Mama.
Love you.
Happy
Love you.
60th birthday.
Wow.
Bye. Bye, Mama.
Perfect.
Happy birthday, Tita Dang! Happy birthday to you!
Hello po, Auntie Dang. Happy birthday po. May God bless you po and see you po here in Canada. Taga Hamilton po ako, Stony Creek. God bless po.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Dang Reynalda Bello Taaluis. Wishing you good health and best in life. Wishing you 60th birthday filled with smiles, laughter, and endless joy. Happy birthday.